think for me the biggest barrier is the conflicting priorities. So certainly for us, trying to embed a strategy, and we're then being asked by leaders, how does that work with safety? How does that work with the budget? How does that work with business planning? And how does it work with everything else? So I think we've worked really, really hard to try and get our CX strategy aligned with the business KPIs, and showing that it's not an option on the Chinese menu, but it's the overarching wrapper that can help with safety, that can help with efficiency drives, that can help with everything else. But the biggest challenge is getting the organisation to see that it's not an option, and the overall wrapper for how the business should move forward. So the thing that we've tried to do is implement journey management, and when we found that we look at the journey experience through the customer's eyes, that obviously goes across different teams, departments and silos. That worked well to an extent, but the different teams only wanted to action and work on the things that improve their part of the journey. So the additional thing we did was have real clear single accountability. So across those silos we had one journey owner who is accountable to our UK exec, and he or she made the call for the CX improvements, and to do that they had to align and work across all of the silos, who were all joined together in terms of wanting the same goal for the customer, but it was that single accountability working across the silos that made the improvements for us. I think the thing for us that we've tried to look at is CRM, which is quite a foundational piece, but certainly in the organisation where I work we didn't have that, and what we were finding, whereas customers sort of touched base with us at different points in the end-to-end journey, we had no idea of the previous interaction, what was said, what commitments were made, which led to huge frustration from the customer in terms of not being listened to, and certainly showed up as us not seeming to care enough about the customer to understand where they were at or when the decision point was coming. So we started with CRM and quite a foundational piece, but just getting that single truth and a log of the customer interactions and where they're at, what their frustrations are and what their time pressures are is really helping us improve the customer journey. I think for us at National Grid, we're maybe at the start of some of our customer experience journey. So for me, it's really about getting the CRM in as a foundational piece, which really then allows us to move forward and get into the exciting space with self-service portals, notifications, AI, and those sort of technologies, which can really offer a differentiator for our customer experience. So it's a little way off for us, but those are the things that I'm looking for in the future. Last year I came and learned so much from similar organisations that have got similar challenges, some that are further ahead of us and some that are at the start of their journey, but getting the network and speaking to real CX utility practitioners that have been through the problems that you're facing and found solutions means that I have a much broader network to pick up the phone and help find my way through issues. So I'm looking forward to building that network today, and I'm looking forward to seeing what some of the other organisations are doing that are further ahead than National Grid at this moment.